Hello, welcome back. So this video is going to be an unboxing of my new design team package from Scrap Diva Designs. And so I want to come on and show you what all she sent me. So I got a lot of really fun dies here. So I got a couple, let's see, a couple that are Christmas and then some Valentine's and yeah, so first off, let me share this one with you. Look how cool that one is. That one is called Shaker Stocking Mini Album. So I went through and looked them all up so I know the actual name so I could tell you. I mean, I'm going to link everything, but sometimes when you're searching, if you forget the link or, you're just looking to look something up, if you don't, sometimes you don't know the name. So anyway, I thought I'd give you all the official names of it instead of me just guessing at what it's called. So we got really nice size stocking. Looks like it is, oopsie, looks like it is about, it's almost 6 inches tall. It's about 5.5. Yep. And the widest point, it's about like 4.25. It's got a cute little layered up candy cane that comes with it, and some holly leaves and holly berries. Got the little layering piece for the top of the stocking. This is the shaker piece, little outline. It's got a cute little bows. These are all stitched. Layered up bow there, and then the toe and foot area, really cute. Or toe and heel, I guess I should say. That's right up here to layer those. Really cute. That'll be fun to work with. So I got that one. Okay, next up I have this one. It's called the Rocking Horse Shaker Tag. Okay, so that's really cute. So that'll be cute to make a cute little tag or like a little ornament for your tree. Also, it could be used for a cute, other than just Christmas, it could be used for like if you're going to a baby shower or something to make a tag for the gift. Really cute. It's got this little layering piece down here. And here's the piece so you can make a shaker. Really cute. I've seen some cute examples of this one already. Okay, next up, she sent me this one. It's called the Valentine Treat Bag. What's it? Treat bag, treat box. Okay, so it's a nice size treat box, and it's got a window piece that you can cut out, and then here's the layering pieces for the window and to frame the window. And the edges have little hearts on them. That'd be cute. So you could use this for anything, but Valentine's coming up. That's going to be really cute. So the basically the area for to put stuff in is going to be about 5 inches, because this is where you're going to tie up at, and this is going to be kind of angled down, so it's about 5 inches long inside there. Looks like it's going to be a really nice size box because you're going to cut 2 of these, put them together, so that's going to be real nice. And then there's the little window you can cut out, stitching, and then you can reinforce and then for the acetate. So that's a cute one. Next up is called the 3D Berry Basket. So here's the berry, and you're going to cut this out 4 times. Okay, Rosalind's showing you a cute little reindeer she made.
Yep, so
okay.
You gotta put the string through and then you can hang it. You just need glue to glue this and
right,
this.
Okay, okay. You gotta stay out of the video, remember? Okay, so here's the sides, and you're gonna do these 4 times. Here's the bottom, and then here's the little trim pieces, so that will be cute. So yeah, that is called 3D Berry Basket. Okay, next up, she sent me this one. This is called the Essentials Bundle number 1. So we got circles and we got ovals. Really cute. They have stitching and another little design on this one. So this one's stitching and this one, it's just kind of a little design. It's kind of cute. I haven't seen that before. So this will be, always use these kind of things in your scrapbooking and card making and any kind of happy mail. Always need the basic shapes. So that will be able to be used for a lot of things. Okay, next up is called this one, and it's called the Sequin Gift Envelope. So this is going to be cute. So you're going to make this envelope, and then when you fold it over, you'll be able to put a sequin mix inside there. And the word says, shake it. That is cute. That'll be really cute. And it's 2 different sizes. So you got a smaller one and a larger one. That's going to be cute. That's going to be really cute. So that's going to be a great way for in Happy Mail and stuff to, and in swaps to gift, you know, sequin mixes. Oh, that's going to be fun to use. Okay, so again, that's called Sequin Gift Envelope. All right, the next one is called Valentine's Day Words Number 1. So this one has XOXO. It has Be Mine. It has Adore, You, Love, and Galentine. And each one has the shadow for it also. Okay, next one is this one. And this is called Perfume Bottle Shaker. So that'll be cute for Valentine's Day. And there's 2 different sizes. So we got the layering, the shaker pieces and little bows to put on top. Really cute. That'll be fun for Valentine's Day too. Okay, and then we have this one next. And it is called the Love Mini Album. This is going to be fun. This reminds me of a old one I have that says love, but it's like a fold-up card. So it's all folded in a little piece, and you unfold it and it says love. It's really cute. That reminds me of this. This one reminds me of that. Cute. And let's see. Yeah, so it says love. Here's the where you put the album together. You got your words, you got your stitching, layering pieces. Really cute. And the O is the shape of a heart. Oh, this is going to be fun. Okay, so that one again is called Love Mini Album. Then next up we have this one. It is called Valentine's Pennant. So this will be fun. I don't have any of these, so this is my first one that's got the pen, that has the pennant. I have like her other little one that has that I bought at the beginning. It has like a little these like little fishtail banners and stuff. I got this one, which is really handy. I love that one. I use that one all the time. But I don't have this one with these actual banner, the pennant pieces. So this will be fun. So this has all the, you know, love and Valentine words. We got adore, date, love, admire, you, kiss, hugs, and cute. So cute. And then a plain one. And then there's the little banner pole. Really cute. Okay, and then we have, this one is called the Heart and Arrow Straw Topper. Cute. Okay, so we got your little arrows here, and we got 2 different sizes. And then here's the heart. Oh, that's going to be cute too. And the heart is stitched. Cute, cute, cute. Just a minute. Just a minute. That's going to be so cute. Again, that's called Heart and Arrow Straw Topper. I have her bow topper, and I really like it. Next up, we have, this is called the Heart Soap Pump Shaker. So we got 2 different sizes of a little soap, pump. And it's got a heart layering piece. You can cut a heart out of it. Here's the layering pieces. It's got 2 different sizes. You can make a shaker out of it. And then these look kind of like a key, like a tag, like a keychain tag type thing. Really cute. So this will be another fun one for Valentine's Day. Okay, and then next we have this one. This is called Valentine Stamps Set number 1. So I'm happy to get some stamps too. This is going to be fun. I like to stamp on my things. And I make cards, so I use them a lot, but they're also good to stamp in the middle of, say, a rosette or, on a banner piece or whatever. So stamps are very useful. Let's see, we got Made with Love, Filled with Love, and Sent with Love. We got hearts. We got like a solid heart and then the open heart. February 14th, Valentine's Day, From My Heart to Yours. So lucky to have a friend like you. Valentine's Day Express, February 14th. Some more hearts that are linked together. I really like you. Hugs, kisses, and Valentine wishes. Happy Valentine's Day. Cute little envelope. Says Happy Mail. We got 2 little cherubs shooting a bow and arrow. Really cute. 1 facing each direction. We got some more hearts, bigger hearts. And then Be My Valentine. That's really cute. Okay, and then the next one is this one. This one's kind of upside down. Let me turn it this way. So this one is called Valentine Stamp Set number 2. So this one has I love you and hearts all around it. Love to be your galentine. We got little lips. We got hearts. Will you be my galentine? I love everything about you. Hashtag to my bestie. Love is in the air. Happy Galentine's Day. Never forget you are so loved, and you are so loved. Never forget that. So cute. So that'll be another fun one to use. And then lastly, I have this one. Okay, and this one is called Valentine Gumball Add-on. So I don't have the gumball machine, so we'll have to see what I can come up with for this, because I don't have the add-on. I mean, I don't have the gumball, but this is really going to be a really cute one to add on to that. So you got your layering piece, and you can make it a shaker. You got your arrows, you can fill up, if you want to make it a shaker. You got your layering piece here for the top part, and you got this little guy here. That's cute. So that will be fun. Okay, and then hopefully you guys have stuck around till the end, because I am going to have a giveaway of a couple of these dies. So Eric accidentally sent me doubles of 2 of them, and so she told me I could do a giveaway with them. So I would like to do that and pass the love on to you guys. I appreciate you guys supporting me and my channel and watching. I always appreciate your comments, and I love swapping and exchanging Happy Mail with you guys. So anyway, I have 2 different dies that I'll be doing a drawing for. So I'm going to let this run for a couple days, and then I'll pick 2 winners. Okay, so the first die that will be giving away is this. It's called the Heart Card Tag, and it's got 2 different sizes. It's really cute. I haven't put it together yet. I got it in my previous design team package, but I haven't. It's one of the. I was trying to do a lot of my Christmas stuff first before I went to this one, but this could be used for anything. So it's not just hearts and Valentines, but anyway. It's really cute. I've seen some examples of it, and how it folds over. It's really cute. So anyway, there will be this one, and then there will also be this one. This is the the heart and arrow straw topper. Okay. So I will do a giveaway each of these separately. So I'll draw 2 winners. Okay. So what you need to do to be entered for the drawing is to leave a comment below telling me which one of these dies that I shared with you today, or stamp sets, which one of these that I shared is your favorite. Okay. And then also add the words enter me. Okay, so I know that you want to be entered. I mean, a lot of times will do comments on people's thing just because I want to let them know, but like a lot of times I want to comment on a project, and they're doing a giveaway, but I don't like, I don't feel like I should enter the giveaway because I've already get some of these dies, and so I just comment, and so hopefully that lets them know that I don't want to be entered in the drawing because I want other people to have a chance at some of the dies. So make sure you add the words enter me so I know that you want to be involved in the giveaway, okay? I hope that made sense. What comes to mind is I was watching V's, Buzzing with V's channel, and she had a giveaway and for Scrap Diva. And so I commented because I wanted to let her know what I thought and stuff, but yet I didn't want to be entered in the giveaway because, you know, I already get some of these in my design team packages, so I wanted other people to have a chance at winning them. So I just commented it, and I didn't use those words so she would know that I didn't want to be entered. So anyway, again, just let me know in the comments below. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel. You got to be subscriber, visible subscriber. You got to leave me a comment as to which one of these that I showed is your favorite, and then also the words enter me in it so I know that you're interested. And then I'll let it run for a couple days, and then I will draw 2 winners, and I will send these out, compliments of Erica Scrap Diva Designs. So thank you, Erica, for letting me do a giveaway on these. And I will have Erica's channel and all the links to all the products listed below, so go check her out. I have a discount code now. It is polka10, so make sure you use the discount code if you decide to try out any of these dies, and it'll save you a little bit of money. Okay? Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye!